In this video, we're going to show you how to manage users for your business. It's really quite straightforward. You click on the Manage User icon. Currently, there are two users for your business, Joe B, who's an administrator, and Sally D is a queue operator. The difference is administrators can add additional users and change business parameters, while queue operators can simply manage your queue. Notice also that Joe B is authorized and Sally D is pending acceptance. What pending acceptance means is I've invited her, but she hasn't signed on yet. So to add a new user, just click the plus button in the bottom right, enter the information, and then you will just hit save. So you need to enter name, phone number, email, and whether or not they're an admin or a queue operator, and then you would just hit the save button. Also, you can click on any particular user, Sally D, and click on edit up here and change their information if you wanted to change something else. That's really all you have to do to add users